We are painting the green stem. We are using acrylic fabric colors. These comes in bottles and in tubes also. You can buy from a bookshop. Or from lace shop. The brushes also come in different sizes. We are using this frame, wooden frame, so that our cloth, because it is thin, so it will be easy to paint it with the help of frame. It does not move. Painting is also a very beautiful activity. It makes you feel happy. You can do this paint on different kinds of clothes. We are making leaves. If you will like this, then we will also give you a tutorial of beads along with the fabric paint. Beads infused into the fabric paint. Tell us in the comment section. We are using this brown color, rust brown color, for the center of our flower. We have used this small wooden frame. You can also use a big size frame if you are doing the fabric painting on a large scale, or you want to do a business on a large scale. After cleaning the brush, we will then use yellow color for the sunflower petals. The bottle colors are more good than the tube ones. Try to buy the bottle ones. Like this, with the small brush, we are making the sunflower petals. Actually, we are going to align this dupatta with our shirt, sunflower embroidery shirt, that we have previously shown you on our channel. You can watch the tutorial on our channel. We are making this small sunflower. You can also paint cushions, bed sheets. There also comes a golden and silver lead, but it is used in more fancy painting. We will also show you how to use that in our further videos. You can add details as you wish. Okay, so if you like our sunflower painting, like and subscribe our channel for more videos.